Stop by and take a look at the 2016 LR4. Rockies? Check. Himalayas? Check. What else you got? The LR4 has air suspension 3 levels, stadium 7 seating, quickness for size of vehicle, and a solid build, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.